Kia ora guys. Oh shit, here we go. Kia ora guys. Welcome back to New Zealand. Just a real quick one. I've got my little fella Seth there, taking the mickey out of me, bless him. Just a real quick one tonight. Just come out for a little bit of a walk along the beachfront at Whirinaki. And we've not got much of a sunset, I don't think. Not much cloud in the sky, so I don't think we're going to get too much. But we're just down the Paku Ratahi stream mouth that runs into the ocean there. And I think it's going to make a couple of decent shots. I've shot this one before not long back. It always makes some nice photographs. Of course, the river constantly changes, giving different photographs. The black sand, black rock on the horizon there. Quite a big bank of cloud on the horizon. So hopefully that might just spark up a little bit as we go a little bit deeper into sunset. Alright guys, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to set up on the river mouth there and just try and get a few shots of the river flowing into the ocean and the ocean battling its way back against the stream. So we'll just see what it makes. Hopefully it makes a couple of nice photographs. And if not, we had a fantastic night out anyway. That's the main thing. It's all about the conditions tonight. It's absolute. Where have I gone? There I am. Just about the river. It's just absolutely stunning tonight. Beautiful conditions. Try and make a couple of nice photographs. We'll see how it goes. That's probably going to be my first shot actually. Maybe my only shot. Looking across the stream towards the ocean. We've got a bit of a hole there that's been channeled out by the ocean, and there's a bit of water left inside. I think that's probably going to be a nice shot. Actually, looking over towards flat rock, and we'll just see how that one works out. I think it's going to be quite cool actually, and the dogs are going berserk.